Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making chicken shorba. This is my go-to soup recipe whenever I'm unwell, especially when I feel nauseous. It's a simple dump and cook recipe with zero spices and minimal seasoning, just the way I was taught how to cook shorba growing up. If you like taking a sip of broth or you're under the weather and have no appetite, try this recipe and it might become a regular addition to your go-to soup recipes. This soup is light, comforting and filling without overpowering spices and aromatics. I add all ingredients except the salt into a large pot and top the ingredients with water. I bring the pot to a boil on high heat, then reduce the heat and let it simmer on low until the chicken has softened. The slow simmer method ensures that all the flavors are absorbed into the chicken flesh by the time it's cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, I adjust salt to taste and give it a minute or two to blend in before turning the heat off. It can be served to sip by itself or paired with any staple of your choice. On this day, I sipped some of the soup to soothe my throat, then had it with rice for dinner after days of no appetite, and it was both comforting and delicious. Cooking soup like this guarantees deep flavor in the broth or soup. I hope you try it and let us know what you think in the comments. And if you like this video, kindly give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and bye for now.